little bit more drum, please? What? Let me try it.
Yeah, there we go. No drum.
Lovely. Cool.
Cool.
Okay.
Have a little
Meeting now.
Okay. So we are playing.
That was from our new album. Has anybody got the new album yet?
Woo!
Two. Good and enthusiastic too.
So these we're going to play a mixture of
Lots of old and new. And this is a new one. It's called Another Day.
Okay.
It's about learning to love yourself.
Oh.
You pause the humor for regression. As you gently lose your grip, I see through holes with intuition. As I gently take a sip, it's just a voice out there. Desperation and despair, clutching round at ankles to catch the love you know you've lost. And now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You took me by the reins, you helped manipulate this brain to the coldness and the taking, nearly made me go insane. And I cannot and I will not be the cost of victory.